Hello, another multi-choice AQA physics question. If you want to try and answer this question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. So, diagram shows a current I in a vertical square coil. The coil can rotate about the OO axis, so coil can do that. The plane of the coil is at right angles to a uniform horizontal magnetic field flux density B. So there's the magnetic field, and the plane of the coil just means that there. Which statement is true? So let's look at the first statement. The forces on the vertical sides of the coil are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Well, there's going to be forces on the coil due to the motor effect, and we can explain the motor effect with Fleming's left-hand rule. So if I put the current going up vertically, as shown by the diagram, the magnetic field is running in this direction. If I get my left hand out and put my first finger to the field, second finger to the current, I'll discover that my thumb, showing the force, is pointing in that direction. If I do the same but on the opposite side, the current is now pointing down the page. Let's put current there. The magnetic field is pointing in that direction. Again, get your left hand out and you should find your thumb is pointing in that direction. So, whoops, I should have put force. So the forces are in opposite directions. They'll have the same force because there's the same current and the same magnetic field running through both sides. So A, the forces on the vertical sides of the coil are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Absolutely. I'm not going to go through the others. You can if you want. I hope you're finding these series useful and they're helping your revision. Please keep watching. Please keep subscribing.